Today, I'm taking you into my kitchen and showing you how to make these beautiful gluten-free chocolate muffins. They are super easy and quick to make, completely gluten-free and super moist on the inside. Absolutely delicious. You'll see they're irresistible. Let's go. So for this recipe, you need to put 200 grams of butter in a bowl. Add 200 grams of dark chocolate, and then pop this in the microwave for about a minute and a half until it's all melted. Be really careful not to burn the chocolate. Once it's melted, mix it all really well and then add 180 grams of sugar, 200 grams of ground almonds, a small spoon of baking powder, a small spoon of vanilla sugar, or it could also be vanilla essence, a pinch of salt, and 4 eggs. Just mix all this really well thoroughly together. Preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius. This recipe will yield 12 muffins. I use a muffin tray with silicone molds. It's a lot easier, it just doesn't stick. Then bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, depends a bit on the oven. My oven is very efficient, so usually in 20 minutes, it's all done. Once they're cooked, just take them out of the oven and let them cool down before you take them out of the muffin molds, because otherwise they're just not going to stick together. So you want them to be nice and cold before you take them out. Okay, and now I think I deserve a bite, right? Honestly, that taste of chocolate, almond, butter, it is so nice. I mean, just so nice. Out of this world. You have to try them. They're so easy, completely gluten-free, no flour at all. And the good news is, all my kids love them. So I'm pretty sure there'll be a winner in your household. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more of my content, just make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you enjoyed this recipe, I guess you'll like this one next. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.